Today I will be playing Flood Escape. Just gonna see if there's a match. I'm gonna go into easy because I'm pretty bad actually. Okay. There's 4 players left. Well, I think I'll join and then spectate. Easy. Spectate. Going for Mally Bluke. No, what just happened? What? No, what? Gabby's the only one left. Oh. I will just spec. What? Where? She gone? What? Is she in first person? What? I'm gonna stop spectating and then. Okay. I think. What? Game is ready. Yay! Pretty bad at this game, so I make very bad moves like when I oh my god! Get up here. That's how bad I am! I've already died! Total game summary is 0000. Please let me in. Please let me in. Is there a round beginning? Am I? What was it? What? Okay, oops. Quality check. Oh, we're here. What? What is this? Am I doing this? What? Yeah, they clicked the button. First time I've ever got into this part. Please, let me in. Yes. Danger. Whatever it is. Mountain bike. Piper. Oh. Done these oh, do I jump here? Here, yes! Made it into the safe room or something. Danger room. I'll hide these. Please, let me in, please. Danger, can you please stop me there? Red and blue. Where is this red and blue? Oh, here. Go over here. Pink! Oh, get back. What? Where are we going? Oh, there. Oh, I just died. I'm very bad. Like, very. Yeah, at least I got 5 points. What? Why does it only say total 2 if I got 5 points? Please, no! Ah, damn. Exit. Please, exit. I'm gonna go down here for more mode. I'm gonna say, I'll say training. What flood sword? What is that? This training room? Not sure. Yeah, it is. Agility. I'm gonna go agility. See if I can make this first try. No. What does it mean when I have like F flood something 2, like F2? What does that mean? Comment down below. Oh, that was a close. Easy peasy, I think. Did I finish it? Did I get the points? Yes, I got 9 training points. Wow. I'll go with these guys. Yellow, easy, yellow. Which one? It's gonna be yellow. Yeah, called it. Platform will be chosen. Get ready. It's gonna be yellow. Hold it again. Ready? It's gonna be red. Yeah, I called it like 3 times. It's gonna be red again. Oh no. It's only me left. Get ready. Blue! So good at this trading thingy. The master at trading. Yes. I'm just gonna die for fun. Yeah. I wanna see if there's a game available. Roblox should really make walking better. It's so slow. And why am I like this? Oh. Yeah. No, I'm gonna exit. Please. Going in. Is it? Oh wait, what? It's already intermission. What? Why am I the only one? No, exit lift. Going in here. Trying if I can win medium or not. Am I okay? Please get. Oh, yeah, it's just my screen. 1 out of 2 players left. Game has ended. Please. Wait, what? Is it already intermission? But there's only 2 of us. I guess it's only gonna be us 2. Oh, 3. Gabby, what? Okay, round beginning. Let's get the facility. Yes, I will definitely win this time. Walkway. You! I'm already nearly dead. Where are we going, guys? Oh, up here? Please move. He's trying to make me fall in. Oh! No. I got a total of 0 points. I'm gonna leave and join back in another game because I don't want to wait. Let's play. He's got like the French hat or something. I'm coming in, please! Let me, no! It's full! Yes, I'm in! Yes! Medium, I'm gonna die first. Cold. Please! Someone! at least I received 2 points. Okay, that's all for Williams Wanderer. Bye.